We made massive profit trading this strategy last week. I didn't make all of the profit alone. I shared these trades with my Telegram community so you can see this trade. This was on the 4th of March 2025. This is GBP JPY, right? The same trade you're seeing right here. And this is the before of the trade. This is the after, right? You can see that we got a good take profit. Don't worry about how my chart looks right now. I've changed the my chart outlook. So you can see that we use the same strategy to also get a good quality trade on NAS 100. And we also got, more quality trades as well, right? Now, the whole of last week, we got about, so you can see this, this is a 1:10 trade, right? The whole of last week, I think we got about 1:20, 1:20 risk to reward ratio. So you can imagine getting 1:20 risk to reward ratio in a week. That means if you actually risk $100 for each of the trades, you would have easily made $2,000 just last week, right? So guys, this is how we make profit on this channel. So if you're not on the channel yet, go ahead and, join the channel. I'll leave a link in the description for you. And also I'll leave, also there is a link on the channel profile as well. After this video, you can just head right to the Telegram channel and join. Guys, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, also go ahead and click on the description, the subscribe button, and also click on the like button as well, right? So you can be part of this family. So I'm going to show you guys how I took this trade so you can also practice on your own and make good profit for yourself, right? So let's say you have a structure this way, right? Let me also give us a sales scenario as well. Let's say you have something this way, you have something like this, right? Let's say you have a simple structure like this. Now you're going to say, okay, this normal market structure, you're going to say this is a break of structure, right, for downtrend continuation, right? But in this scenario, we're going to just say this is a sweep of liquidity. Why do we say it's a sweep of liquidity? Because after this low here, price went ahead to give us a change of character, right? Now, because of this sweep of liquidity we have here, we refer to this zone here as protected, right? So we can say this zone is protected. Now, because we assume that this zone is protected because of this liquidity taken already, we don't expect price to take out this low anymore. So our stop loss is just going to be below this low, right? And then here you can see that we have a change of character here. And after the change of character, we have a break of structure to confirm the trend, right? So in this scenario, we didn't just get a change of character. So in some cases, you can get a change of character like this, and then price can just come all the way like this way and take you out, right? But we got a confirmation when we, got this second break of structure. Now, so what is our anticipation? That price is going to come down here, right? That price is going to come down to this, our demand zone here that was responsible for this change of character. And we are going to, get a good trade to the upside this way, right? You're going to get a good trade to the upside this way, right? So this is our anticipation. That price is going to come all the way here and then give us a good trade, right? Tap into the zone and give us a good trade, right? Likewise, a sell scenario as well. Now, if you look at this, you're going to say, okay, when the market was still trending up, when this happens, you're going to say, okay, this is a change of, this is a BOS, right, for the trend continuation. But then look at what price did. So let me just drag this up here a bit. But look at what price did here. Price came here and give us a change of character, right? This is a change of character. And after price giving us a change of character, sometimes again, price can give us a change of character and then still go ahead to continue the trend, right? So we are patient enough to wait for price to give us another break of structure, right, in that direction. So after these two, breaks, now we are actually more, we are more convinced that price has changed direction. So what is our anticipation? So why other traders will be waiting for price to come to this zone right here and give them a sell downwards? We don't do that, right? Instead, we wait for price to, take out this lower high here, tap into this zone that caused the main change of character, right, before going down eventually, right? So we are going to place our buy position somewhere here. Our sell position, and then we're just going to, target this low right here. So this is what I did. So now let's go to the chart and then I'll show you how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is your time frame, right? You want to pick your time frame. Now, since I'm a day trader, I'm going to start my analysis from my 4-hour time frame, right? And I'm going to assess the trend on the 4-hour time frame. Now, if you agree with me, you can see that price has actually been selling on the 4-hour, right? You can see that price has been creating series of lower lows, and all that, right? Lower lows. And yes. So what is our anticipation? That price will eventually come back to take out this low, right? Or price can decide to change character and go upwards, right? One of those is going to happen. Now, looking closely at my chart, after price took out these, this low right here, right? Look at what price did again. Price also took out this low as well, right? So this is another, so that means this is now a lower high, right? This is a lower high. But then price went ahead and took this lower high that created the lower low out. And if price just casually took it out and maybe there is no imbalance, I wouldn't have considered this zone in the first place. But price took out this lower high, left huge imbalance. You can see this huge candle imbalance. In fact, all of the candles here have imbalances, right? Until price broke out this zone here. So you can see that we have imbalance on this candle. We have imbalance on this candle as well. You see the weak rejection here, right? And all of this. So I anticipate that price is going to come. So what I'm doing here is to mark out my demand zone, right? Mark out my demand zone. So my anticipation is that price is going to come to this zone and give a good reaction. So let's assume that all of this has not happened. Let's assume that all of this has not happened yet, right? What I'm just simply going to do is to mark out this my demand zone, since I already have a change of character here and then a sweep of structure here, right? So my anticipation will be that, okay, price will come to this zone and then give me this price will come to this zone and then give me this type of structure I just showed you guys, right? That price will come to this zone and give me, a change of character and also a break of structure. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame and look at what price did. Now, so this is price tapping into the 4-hour demand zone. Price tapped into the 4-hour demand zone. Now look at what price did. All within this internal structure, price gave us a change of character here. And after giving us the change of character, price retraced, right? And then gave us another break of structure here, right? So now we have number one is a change of character, number two is a break of structure. And then you see that we have sweep of liquidity as well. So that means this zone now is our protected low, right? Because it took liquidity and then went ahead to give us a change of character and then proceeded with with a break of structure. So even if price is going to end up continue selling, we expect price to give us a good reaction to at least take out this high before it to eventually continue the sell, right? So that's why we actually selected this trade. So we picked our demand zone here, right? We picked our demand zone here on the 1 hour, and then we placed our buy position here, and then we targeted this high as our take profit, right? You can target 1:3, or you can target this swing high here as a take profit. And that's how we caught this beautiful trade, giving us a 1:5 trade. Now, you're also going to wonder, how did I also take this sell trade as well? Now, if the overall trend of this market is actually a sell trade, right? And I know that from the structure I already showed you guys, right, that this was also a sell scenario as well. Look at this, right? Price gave us a sweep of liquidity here, a change of character here, right? And then give us a break of structure again, right, to continue the trend. So we have a change of character and a break of structure. So what is our anticipation? That price is going to eventually come back to take out this high right here. That price is going to take out this high, and then what we drag out our supply zone here, right, just above this high, right, and then we sell. So you can see how we also caught this buy and sell position. And from these two trades alone, we got about 1:9 risk to reward, right? So that's why I told us that just last week alone, we got, I think, more than 20 risk to reward ratio. So you can imagine, and then this is it, right? This very, very simple. So guys, just practice on your chart and you'll be surprised how you make profit trading this strategy. At this point, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button and click on the like button as well to help the channel grow. See you guys in the next one. Peace.